Hello everyone, I'm Edison Limbaga
I'm Jade Cahigo,
and welcome to Ceramic Ed. So as we all know, nothing in the universe can cut the edge of ceramic.
as it goes beyond changing the world.
So for today's episode, we're going to have a virtual plant tour on one of the leading ceramic tile company in the Philippines, which is the
Mariwasa Ceramics Incorporated.
An eye for beauty, passion for excellence, and perfection. The quest for beauty and superiority is a lifelong commitment. Mariwasa.
When we talk about home improvement, one important element of interior design is choosing the right tiles that can give your home a calming and sophisticated aesthetic.
So if you're looking for a local, modern and high quality tiles, then look no further as this Filipino tile company has got you covered.
Established in 1966, Mariwasa Manufacturing Incorporated has evolved from its humble beginnings, founded with the ideals of excellence. A trailblazer in the local scene, Mariwasa has successfully led the local tile industry in process innovation and product adaptation, ushering the evolution of ceramic tiles, changing the landscape of the ceramic tile industry in the country. In 1993, a partnership with SCG, Thailand's largest and most advanced business conglomerate, was forged, solidifying the company's claim for market leadership.
Feeling safe is an important aspect of life. A safe house, a safe job are things everyone desires. To that end, several organizations has developed a procedure for almost everything we do, especially in the field of workplace safety. Obviously, some work environments are more dangerous than others. In these situations, safety first is more than just a saying. With that in mind, here are the safety guidelines that everyone should take note before moving along to our virtual tour, as this is important to know so that we are knowledgeable enough when we engage to accommodate with any ceramic plant or any hazardous workplace. Safety equipment. Everyone should wear the required safety gear while on the premises. This may include safety glasses, headsets, gloves, and anything else that might be necessary for a safe experience. In this case, the phrase, "better safe than sorry," truly applies. Risk assessment. To protect yourself and those around you, always be aware of what could go wrong and what you can do to prevent a potentially dangerous situation. Never take unnecessary risks and stay calm if you find yourself in trouble. Lastly, keep your head clear. In charge personnel should ensure that everyone in the tour know all safety procedures and the workplace is safe. The rules must apply to everyone and each breach, and whoever undermined higher authority should be addressed and punished if necessary.
So why choose Mariwasa? Here's why. Tile has a vital role in interior design because a tile sets the mood and ambience of a space. You can use it as an accent wall, house exteriors, and even for the construction of your food. For the quality of the products, how durable are Mariwasa tiles? So Mariwasa conducts several tests on each tile in its new Quality Assurance Laboratory in Santo Tomas, Batangas. Tiles are examined if residual water will penetrate to the surface of a tile. After soaking it in water to check the resistance to the water mapping. This ensures that no discoloration of tiles happens, especially if they are installed in frequently wetted areas like bathrooms or kitchens. They incorporate a design with safety and develop an anti-scratch and anti-slip tiles to maintain household hygiene. The breaking strength of ceramic tiles is also determined by assessing the amount of weight they can withstand and supported before they break. This test is significant to determine the durability of tiles. Mariwasa is strong in compression and can resist high pressure before reaching the breaking strength. Being the go-to brand for decades, Mariwasa continues to innovate and meet world standards for beauty and durability. They're not just selling their tiles and adhesives, they're also educating their customers. So when Mariwasa develops a new product, they educate their customers on the proper usage of it. That is the essence of them carrying out their duty as a company. Since we are having a virtual plant tour, here's a video presentation from Mariwasa Siam Ceramics Incorporated on their manufacturing processes and tiles production. Let's watch it.
Mariwasa Tiles. Behind the stunning designs and vivid colors lies the meticulous process of creation. The ceramic tile manufacturing process at Mariwasa ensures quality and the most superior of products. It all begins with dust. Dust is a combination of superior raw materials such as clays, feldspar, and silica, which will ultimately form the tile body. Batched raw materials are then put into the ball mill for continuous milling. Water is added during milling to cause the particles of clay, feldspar, and silica to adhere and form what is called slip. To ensure the quality of clay slip, it is tested on density, viscosity, and residue. The slip is screened and stored in a homogenizing tank before transported to the spray dryer, which breaks it down into a fine and dusty powder. The powder is stored and allowed to set for a given period of time for uniform moisture content. From fine powder form, we see the beginnings of beautiful and durable ceramic tile as it now moves to the next important step: dry pressing. Using a hydraulic press with steel dies, powder is formed into a solid body called the green tile. Different steel dies produce green tile of desired shape, size, and texture. The green tiles are allowed to dry through a drying machine. Through this process, the tiles lose some moisture content by way of evaporation. Wall tiles undergo biscuiting prior to glazing. Biscuiting is the firing of the press-formed powder with a temperature enough to obtain a biscuit-like characteristic. Floor tiles, on the other hand, immediately after the vertical drying, are conveyed to the glazing line. Here, ceramic tile glaze of controlled properties is uniformly applied to the face of the tile. In the glaze lies the mystery of vivid color, texture, and design. The glazed tile now colorful and unique in its design, is still not a finished product. The integral process of firing allows for the union of strength and beauty. During firing, the tile is exposed to radiant heat of between 800 to 1,200 degrees centigrade. At this temperature, the glaze on the face of the tile becomes fluid and gases are released, attacking the body of the tile and absorbing some of the chemical properties of the body. Thus, a bond is created between the glaze and the body, a bond of beauty and strength. And just before the tiles are sent out to homes and buildings worldwide, the final step ensures that each and every tile is truly of the finest quality. Sorting the tiles is a 100% inspection process. Then, the tiles are packed according to classification and size coding. From humble beginnings forged by strength and the best of ingredients, and made unique by its design and beauty. Mariwasa, uncompromising quality. Builders and homeowners want only the best. And beyond the aesthetic, three words come to mind: durability, strength, quality. After the selection of the finest materials, a meticulous creation process. And after the most stringent of tests, the result is a quality ceramic tile that exceeds the requirements of PNS ISO 13006, the international standard for ceramic tiles, the Mariwasa tile. Among local ceramic tiles, Mariwasa is the first to be given the seal of quality by the Department of Trade and Industry, Bureau of Product Standards. When choosing tiles, keep in mind that not all ceramic tiles are of the same quality, though they might look similar. A simple check on the packaging of the tiles you buy is one way to know the difference between a high-quality tile and a substandard one. Check the box for a PS mark or an Import Commodity Clearance or ICC. This assures you of tiles of the highest quality. The following tests confirm the superiority of Mariwasa's quality over other brands. A test of porosity. A quality tile must have low water absorption. Watermarks should not be visible on the glazed surface. Watermarks indicate that this tile absorbs a high percentage of water and it penetrates on the glazed surface. Because of the anti-water mapping technology for Mariwasa tiles, water did not penetrate on the glazed surface, maintaining its distinct color and design. A test of durability. Tiles must have sufficient strength to withstand constant pressure or sudden impact. Inferior tiles can easily be broken by hand, but not for Mariwasa. Tiles must also withstand sudden impact. While the inferior tile shatters, a Mariwasa tile proves its durability and strength. Quality tiles must be easy to clean and not absorb stains. This is the ultimate test that goes beyond the industrial floors. One that you can even do in your own home. Tiles must not absorb or have permanent marks from common household stains. There should be no stains left when cleaned. Actual cleaning tests show the advantage of Mariwasa ceramic tiles against ordinary porcelain tiles. When choosing tiles, be vigilant. Opt for long-lasting, strong, and durable tiles. Ditch the substandard tiles and go only for the best. We have the tests to prove it. Go for Mariwasa. Uncompromising quality.
So that'll be all for today's episode.
Hope to see you in our next video.
Thanks for watching.
Bye
Bye.
bye.